Okay, so I thought I would come and do a short little video from outside today from this book. You know this book because I showed it to you before in class. They have a little bit of a section on weather, and if you were with us on the Google Meet last time, we were starting to talk a little bit about humidity. And one thing I want to mention is in this blue box where it says warmer air can hold more water, so there is more water vapor in 50% humidity, warm air, than there is in 50% humidity, cold air. I mentioned the dew point too the other day. I said if it's over 70%, then it's sort of that uncomfortable, humid weather that, we need air conditioning and doesn't always make us feel comfortable. So the dew point is the air temperature at which the dew forms on the surfaces, and the dew point depends on both the amount of water vapor and in the air and the air pressure. Clouds, we're just going to talk a little bit about clouds. There are the three main types, and you can have sort of prefixes that go on to other forms. So there's actually more than three types, but we're just going to mention the first or the three of them. What is a cloud? It's when the water vapor in the air condenses and it forms a cloud. So a cloud is an indication that water vapor in the air has reached its dew point. Clouds form when moist air cools and water vapor condenses onto small dust or salt particles in the atmosphere, forming tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Clouds are usually identified by their shape and their altitude, in other words, how high they are in the sky. And the three main types are the cirrus cloud, and they form at very high altitudes when the temperatures are very cold. The cold temperatures cause the water to condense into a feathery looking sort of ice crystal. And then if we flip the page here, we have the other two. There is the cumulus clouds. These are puffy and located at mid-level to the lower I can't say that word now for some reason. Elevation. Oh my God, why can't I say that? Elevations. They usually show up on days with nice weather, but really tall and gray ones can cause thunderstorms. Stratus clouds form large, sort of long sheets, and they're usually low altitudes, and fog is actually a stratus cloud that is close to the ground. And then there's some other prefixes that you can see here that I'm not really going to go through, but I will talk about this one, the cumulonimbus clouds, because those are the storm-producing clouds of the cumulus cloud, and that's what I think we're going to maybe experience today. And then precipitation is, of course, when the water droplets in the cloud combine and get large and heavy, then they're going to fall from the sky in the form of precipitation, rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Okay, and that's all I wanted to talk about, just a little short video. We will continue with the other PowerPoint note videos in the next couple days.